So I'm gonna take the lip liner in the shade Ritzy. And the thing I love about Ritzy is it's just like a really good flesh tone nude. And you see how I'm emphasizing my Cupid's bow. I love these lip liners. These are creamy and smooth. Then I'm taking a liquid lipstick in Ritzty. And look at that, like, full coverage. Making sure I get every arch of my Cupid's bow so I can have like the perfect pout. I will most definitely be wearing this to the gym, to go to the grocery store. Just give you that like nude, fresh, sexy pout. And this is in the shade Ritzy. And again, my liquid lipsticks do dry to matte, but it's still moisturizing my lips because it's used for the full coverage of my lips. And my lips do not feel dry. I have no transfer. It's a perfect liquid lipstick. Most definitely gonna be wearing this one. And again, my lip kits do come with a lip liner and liquid lipstick. This looks so fresh in daytime, like